Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OSCAL C20 PRO, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Okay. Alright, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so all we have to do is to open the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and now we have to find a special option which is called countdown duration. So let's tap on it, and here we've got three options, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the specific option you'd like to use, it will be immediately applied here, and after tapping on the shutter button your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works. Of course you can turn it off the same way, just enter the settings, find the countdown duration and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.